Today, we're going to talk about organizing your digital life, and Kat Nostrin and Melissa Lim will be presenting. It's a new series that we wanted to start this year to just share different things each month with you all. Kat and Melissa.
Thanks, Deborah. Hi, everybody. I'm Melissa Lim, and Kat, you can say your own.
I can say hi. Hi, everyone. I'm Kat Nestrand.
And we're technology integration specialists in the Learning Technologies department of Otis. And today we're doing this session on organizing your digital life. And these are by no means any groundbreaking new tips that you have probably not heard before, but maybe right now is a good time to remind you to do some of these things and then start some practices that become more regular for you. So we'll go ahead and get started. Tip number 4, managing multiple Google accounts. This one is so tricky and confusing for a lot of people. And if you're on a Mac or PC, it's not nearly as confusing, but for our teachers that are using Pixelbooks and Chromebooks, it's very confusing because when you log into a Chromebook, you're logging in with your PPS user account credentials. And so then if I open a Chrome browser, it's going to open it under my PPS account. However, within Chrome, I can add another account. And so a lot of teachers will add their personal account because they've done work in different accounts. And so they want to be able to access the work they did in their personal account in their PPS account. And so then what happens, because they've added these additional accounts in Chrome, they have, let's say, 4 different accounts logged into their Chrome browser. And so when they open more tabs, it's logging them out of one account, and then they're logging into the personal account that they added. And then so it's always this mess of going back and forth. On a Mac or PC, if you click on your little avatar in the top right of the Chrome browser, you can add another person. And so that's your multiple accounts where, oh, if I'm doing that on a Mac or PC and I add my personal account, it opens a completely separate Chrome browser window that's only for my personal Google account. And then I've got my PPS Google account in another window. So it helps you keep track. And then another tip that we've recommended to a lot of teachers before is to make each browser look different. So in Chrome, you can change the skins of your browser. So maybe one is, I don't know, green, and the other one's silver. So the green one's always my PPS one, and the silver one's always my personal one. Kat, did you have other things I forgot? You've got some good links there.
Yeah, that was just going to say that the links there will show you the 2 ways that we were just briefly talking about, the Chrome profile method rather than adding an account, going up to your icon and adding a profile there, and then also customizing so that when you just open that new one, you can tell the difference. I have it so that I can just visually see, like, this one's, like Melissa was saying, one's a different color, or I have a different icon picture that I can tell right away that they're different accounts. So those 2 links will take you to resources to learn how to do that.
Is just a plug for our Learning Technologies team. And so this link on the left-hand side, pps.net/learningtech, is the link to the website within the Otis web pages. And so there are lots more information about the digital toolkit, and if you want to request an app or an extension and how to do that, it has links to the database of all the apps and extensions that are already vetted and approved. So that's what that website is. And then this is pps.net/LTOtis, and that's a newer website that shows a menu of services that our team offers, including coaching. So instructional technology integration coaching. And it also has some information about our leadership team. And then we're also going to start spotlighting teachers that are doing great work in their classrooms. So just a couple of links to check out from our team.